howtobackup.monday.com. You can do this in 7 simple steps. 1. Open monday.com and go to the admin panel or account settings, depending on your user permissions. 2. Select Export Data to download a full backup of your boards, tasks, and other important information. 3. Use automated backups by integrating monday.com with third-party tools like Google Drive, Dropbox, or Zapier for scheduled exports. 4. If you need a manual backup, click on each board's 3-dot menu and select Export to Excel to save your data locally. 5. Set permissions and restrictions to ensure only authorized team members can access and manage backup files. 6. Test your backup by importing the exported file into another monday.com workspace to verify data integrity. 7. Schedule regular backups based on your project needs to prevent accidental data loss and maintain a secure record.